so Kotoko 1-0.
Yeah, Mikachu say for any Gold Stars here, it was a foregone conclusion, and there was no need to stress about it.
Yeah.
But I think they see a comment Kotoko on the game plan from Karim Zito. I'm one of the people who have not given too much credit to him, but me who starting line up, I could appreciate Nyano Pesoye. So Babu pushy Sambo near like Fiifi on him because it looked like no about 3 flat mid center backs. Because the Oshi team now, I think Ansu and then what's his name? Samba was on the defenders list as well. And I could tell also we pushy Samba with him because Mekaisa last season about fresh, and that's one of the first things to get that defensive solidity, pushy Samba on there like Fiifi Kaka. For him to be able to win with duels, because away game now, but you want to be very physical. About Patrick Essiedu as a left back, and it looked as he said inside defense line, the best person to go forward and give them creativity or defense area more was only a branch of friend Patrick Essiedu or I mean a center back of Henry Ansu, Ablo as a center back Hilary Lord, then a branch of friend Albert Amoa on the left hand side, and of course in Fiifi Adabo and Samba. I knew that Samba's plan was for physicality. Duels, of course. I mean, Abo on the left hand side, Joe, Amo, and those who realized it for them. So it was more of a Kotokotina on my near D on person winning duels, on some very physical. No, a bad thing say over Showman. That's the plan that they went into the game with, and I think that it worked for them. So she gave me throughout the game, the role of Samba made a difference. And I don't know. Friend Coach Eka said, Omoko game, the game plan was to sit off, allow a friend saying, Kwara for some more ball, no more chain for the opportunities to come. When they did, yes, Kwara for your chances there, but and your clear cut chances, and your chances are because a good exit to score. And from there, Kotoko in a good place. Congratulations to them. It's a well fought battle. The next game looks like the most difficult.
Work of Morocco
against Wydad, but then again. And Morocco Tokoso. Without a strong, North African side, it's a 2-legged affair. And Morocco Tokoso. They can. Let's start preparations now. What's the plan for Wydad? You'll be taking game after game, players nearest, game plan. If we can start doing the analysis of Wydad for now, start to give and arm the coach all the information he needs, not from preparing a game plan. And of course, also army players now. I think we are quality.
But it seems Kotoko mobile power.
Because there's no pressure. Yeah, there's no pressure. And again, supporters. I think that there was a clear-cut game plan. And game plan worked to perfection. Game plan, they said, we will set up shop. Near Babe Pego, your Pego, we are upon. It means that they say, we see a baby. I said, because in Cambodia, boy, the Korea 1-1 or I still got to Quebec. Unless one about 2 quick goals, I'm about 2-1, then you call for an away goal. But once you are not getting those 2 quick goals, no, we are in it as long as possible. So a very good advantage for Kotoko. For BBN Gold Stars Rich, we knew it. The experience is good. May Bompa say BBN can perform well and then stay in the competition, Ghana Premier League, and then also get another opportunity back to back in Europe, in Africa. Africa back to back, and it helps the experience. It helps with almost everything. But I mean,
but if minimum so one come koso media no so ebi me feel say quite worrisome kakra because you're champions in baby and Gold Stars. Na obo Kabili home and away 7-0. I say it can be define a league,
Oh yeah, I can't send baby for a league.
A league, I feel so is okay. The league is good, no. Yes, I'm sure be. Your champions are just 7-0,
and no interest in league in yet. We made a lot of analysis on that. Me, one of the reasons Amaka say some teams in Ketwa as compared to the Korean has edge league is because of now almost someone was cut to buy the same players that you can buy. So we bet Amaka say in your league, talent are evenly distributed. Player na koto Quebec be chemeti ya Tony B. BBN bet me ya Tony B. But when you go to Africa, sa small league advantage now we player quality and they say bo BBN ya who control nyama be home grounds are solid yaka se Ghana Premier League no. Unya solid home grounds are obejeno. When you go away from home it's different. I don't know. People also use the advantage of home grounds now. They do it and they do it well. And Rich, BBN was in disarray. Before the Kobo away game, no one Sako head coach. You are not going to be successful. There was no way you are going to be successful.
I wouldn't say a class was in performance was there.
Exactly. Exactly. Even if you had the 2, it was not a game that I thought from day one. Say BBN for no could do the job again because of inexperience like the sitting coach Ababe Kanye, and then the team in itself, the traveling, going there, the preparation. I think so. All the shell league in Kwara. And you're right.
Almost are going in badges.
Yeah, flights, we call transit, call Turkey, and so on. You know, a little bit worrying, kakra. But of course, your league, so now, I see a share, a bit more improving, and you're perfectly, we can improve. And I think that the handlers of the league have to start working on it.
Because over the Algerian League,
yeah,
I'm also 12.
Yeah, that's GS Kabili. That's this season, yeah.
Yep.
But say this season, the ABF film must start. But last season, almost
also a champion, simple.
Yeah.
Simple cry. You over both legs now. Utie da na man kwa from Paul Manso. I'm say look, Uncle for they are too good for Go Stars. No man love one cry. Like born on Go Stars for after we training.
Oh, I don't think that they are too good, sir. When you're but of course, they were the better side on the night. Football there. Say Yeshawa, nobody really listens until you are winning in team.
Okay.
That's the thing. For Kotoko was a successful one. Which now Ubisa said this weekend. Team men and the results are surprising. I catch you before the show ends.
Yeah.
Karela.
Or Shemidiama.
Yeah. Which my catch was a Munshe coach Nurudu you. Kroma say we like fanciful names. We don't look at work. Coach Nurudin is a brilliant brain. He started season, you know. Oche Ediana action with fear. And Oko no one former team Samatex. We be say Samatex Oko away. Problem beba or draw on them. They prepared and went back again. Only we need a share Mediama 1-0. And watch Nurudin teams are all shebe one pen or one ekobe no akadum. And it is difficult for it to play them. And also Ghana Premier League table now almost a second after Hearts of Lion Spando. And that tells you that Nuruddin is doing a good job at home. Of course, Accra Hearts of Lions and you're 3 out of 3. You need to give them a lot of credit. And now they transformed into bringing that form back. Whether they're playing at Pando, whether they're playing away from home. Of course, Didi Dramani this weekend seeing and 3 points, you know, which a day and 2 with a Dormoni. Before the season started, we all believed that Dortmund was going to take Dreams to levels where they were not able to go to
young apostles.
But in 3 games, Dreams have 0 points. 0. And yet,
so I must win.
Okay. The pressure power.
Yama for the na amonso amateur margins 3220 A3582